In this video, I will show you how to get back archive from Trello. Basically, log in first into your Trello account. Right here, we can see these cards from Platform Mastery board. Let's try first moving this card in the archive list by clicking on the three dots button and select Archive in this list. And it's not reflecting here anymore. To get back the archives, go here and select Archive Items. Click Switch to Cards. Here's the done card from earlier. Click Send to Board, and it will reflect again on your board. Let's try again. Just repeat the steps earlier. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!